Today we're making a flag pot holder. We need 2 pieces of cotton batting 8.5 inches by 8.5 inches. We need a backing piece of the same size, 8.5 by 8.5. We need some red and white strips for the stripes. Those are 1.5 inches wide. And then we need a blue piece that's 4.5 by 5 1/4 inches. We're going to work on our stripes first. We're going to work on the shorter stripes. We're going to sew those together in pairs, and then we're going to combine them into one strip of 4. So do a 2 and then a 2, and then we'll put it together as an entire strip of 4. We're going to get that ironed down, and then we're going to start on our longer strips. I should have said the shorter strips, I cut those to 3.5 inches long, and the red and white strips, these longer ones, I cut to 8.5 inches long. So we'll do the same thing there, pairs, make them a part of 4. Then we're going to put our blue piece on. We're going to sew that to our short strips. Unfortunately, my seam allowance is a little bit off, so I'm going to have to do some trimming. It's not going to be a big deal though. Go ahead and get that stitched together, and then we'll be able to attach it to the bottom. So let's get that sewn together too. Okay, we have that stitched up. Now we need to assemble it into a little sandwich. So it's going face up, our backing is going face down, and then we're putting our 2 layers of batting, cotton batting on. Go ahead and stitch all the way around it, but leave a space for turning. Use a 1/2 inch seam allowance for that. All right, once that's stitched, go ahead and clip your corners. And then we're going to have to deal with that little space that we used for turning. Go ahead and take some scissors and cut away some of that batting there. It'll make it easier when we go ahead and turn it and try and press it and close it. So go ahead and turn it inside out. All right, now we need to get that closed, but we're also going to do an 1/8 inch top stitch all the way around it. So be careful, make sure you do catch that. Hopefully you've already pressed that. Do your 1/8 inch seam allowance, and then stitch between your stripes, and then you've got yourself a flag pot holder all ready to go.